Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to use Cronodes to earn passive income. But before that, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. Make money with Cronodes. Increasing your Bitcoin holdings in 2021 may be accomplished through a number of different means. You can even steal it through hacks and scams if you're a dishonest lowlife who doesn't mind using your shirt in the process. If you're not concerned about getting caught, in the event that you are short on funds and ideas, there are safer and completely legal options. After all, there is another way to accumulate satoshis. You may earn them. Is it true that there is such a thing as free crypto? The answer is yes. At least in theory. There ain't no such thing as a free lunch, says the TANSTAAFL economic concept, which is similar to the phrase, there ain't no such thing as a free beer. It merely suggests that obtaining free goods takes some effort. The operation of a cryptocurrency faucet is mostly centered on the performance of fundamental tasks as well as participation in predefined activities. With the exception of a few instances, the faucet website has the power to fix the rewards and set a time restriction on how long customers may keep the advantages they've earned in their account. On the majority of crypto faucets, users must first register with their personal information and wallet address before being able to withdraw funds. Once a user has completed a task on their website, a micro wallet is generated for them. This type of cryptocurrency wallet is comparable in function to a conventional wallet in that it has the ability to store small amounts of Bitcoin assets. Micro wallets are created automatically for the vast majority of Bitcoin faucets when you sign up for an account on their website. This has resulted in Cronodes, a cryptocurrency faucet that was published on the Cronodes blockchain in January 2022 and guarantees 5% yearly payouts. Cronodes also has a simple user interface, which makes it ideal for beginners. According to the anonymous project's description, it combines returns from protocol-owned liquidity with returns from DeFi, decentralized finance protocols, across many chains in order to allocate rewards to yield holders. Given the increasing number of people who are adopting the technology, Cronodes may be the next big thing. Before looking at some Cronodes pricing forecasts in the near future, we'll go through some of the protocol's most important features, benefits, and red flags in this piece. Also, make sure to write your thoughts on Cronodes in the comment section. The mechanics of crypto faucets. To put it another way, a Bitcoin faucet is an app or a website that dispenses small amounts of digital currency in return for the completion of simple tasks as a reward for using the service. As a result, they are referred to as faucets. Since the advantages are small, much like the few droplets of water that trickle from a leaking faucet, with Bitcoin faucets, on the other hand, little amounts of free or earned cryptocurrency are delivered to a user's wallet in exchange for a small fee. Free Bitcoin may be obtained by performing tasks as easy as seeing advertisements, watching product videos, taking quizzes, opening links with caution, or solving a CAPTCHA in order to acquire the free cryptocurrency. Crypto faucets are not by any means a get-rich-quick scheme by any means of the imagination. The amount of money awarded is proportionate to how easy the assignment is. As a result, most websites have a minimum payout threshold, which implies that the rewards obtained by participating in activities are transferred into an online wallet managed by the website where the awards were won. A user will only be able to withdraw this award if he or she has attained the set minimum threshold amount. With the best cryptocurrency faucets, this may take as little as a day, but it is more normal for it to take as long as a week. But what exactly is the point of a cryptocurrency faucet? Despite the fact that cryptocurrencies enjoyed a good year in 2021, they are still not widely acknowledged and are new to a large number of people all over the world. It is the goal of Bitcoin faucets to give users a reward with free cryptocurrencies in return for their time spent learning about digital assets and ultimately making an investment in these assets. By the way, what do you think about crypto faucets? Let us know in the comment section down below. How it works exactly. Indications are that Cronodes' interface is aimed for the casual investor wishing to generate passive income, albeit at a rather modest rate of return on his or her original investment, though still better than leaving your money in the bank. After purchasing enough CRN and completing the appropriate wallet connections, the user just needs to activate a node using the easy interface, and that is pretty much the extent of the functionality offered by the platform. Theoretically, CRN awards should subsequently begin to accumulate at a rate of 1 CRN each day for the remainder of the period, 5%. Maximum of 100 nodes may be activated, possibly allowing for daily payments of up to 100 CRN, less a 10% claims tax, which is theoretically doable. Currently, CRN trading is at $29.28, which indicates that the price barrier for entry is $587.60, and the investment maximum is $58,760 at the time of this writing. You might be interested in learning more about the DeFi protocols that Cronodes employ in order to generate returns, despite the fact that this information is not made publicly available on the internet. The disclaimer states that it is as follows. The Cronodes DeFi proprietary allocation technology is not yet functional. It is still in the development phase. There is no guarantee that this technology will be finished before a certain date, nor that it will work as the Cronodes team wants it to work or as the Cronodes team currently imagines it. At this point, it is likely that the developer's discretion will guide the investment strategy at this point in the development process. The official Discord channel is also being used as a discussion platform for suggestions, which can be found here. All of the messages were left on Discord and Twitter, and they were all pleading for more information. Is Cronodes legit? What does Cronodes CRN look like as a project in general, and how far along is it in the development process? Cronodes lacks a certain amount of transparency, as the crew is anonymous and the cronodes.xyz domain name information is not publicly available on the internet. Obviously, this is not uncommon, but greater transparency regarding the investments of customers' funds would contribute in the establishment of confidence in the company. Cronodes has a big presence on social media, particularly on Discord, which is where the company's investment decisions are discussed. Customers should not expect much in the way of Know Your Customer (KYC) or other regulatory compliance. Investors will get a constant stream of returns since the rewards pool contain assets more than that of $20 million, and a consistent flow of outward transactions can be observed, suggesting that they will receive a consistent stream of returns. The Cronodes documentation states that when a node is built with 20 CRN, 14 tokens are donated to the reward pool and therefore put to work earning returns. 2 tokens are transferred to the CRN/Crow liquidity pool. The 4 tokens are paid to the marketing team. Following the latest Chronoscan statistics, there are 20.45 million shares outstanding, representing a $598 million market value when all shares are completely diluted. We can also estimate that 1 million CRN worth $29.9 million is in circulation because 95% of the tokens are at a burn address, despite the fact that we do not have access to the current circulating supply numbers at this time. The rewards account currently has a total of $23.43 million in CRN tokens, which is 3.97% of the total supply of the cryptocurrency. Overall, though, it looks to be fully real and a terrific source of additional income, so go ahead and take action. What do you think about Cronodes? Will you go for them? Let us know in the comments section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.